Sure, Toyota has eliminated last year's price leader trim, but the Prius remains affordable overall. Arriving at your Toyota dealership early next year, the 2023 Prius Hybrid is already making an impact with its new, sporty design. It's a car that actually looks good, and we bet you never thought you'd think that about a Prius. If the new styling doesn't get your hybrid synergy drive, or synergizing, check out the price, which is as easy on your wallet as the car is on your eyes. Toyota's MSRP is listed just under $29,000. You can see the exact prices without explaining. While it's great to see that the 2023 Prius stays affordable despite its glow-up, it's still slightly pricier than before. Toyota has dropped the hybrid's entry-level L-Eco model, making the front-wheel drive LE the price leader at $28,545, including the $1,095 delivery fee, which is $2,375 more than the cheapest 2022 Prius, the now-defunct L-Eco, but just $1,165 more than last year's equivalent Prius LE. At $31,990, the front-drive 2023 XLE is only $1,600 more than the outgoing version, though Toyota charges an additional $2,170 for the all-wheel drive XLE that it did last year. AWD is a $1,400 upcharge on every Prius trim for 2023. The limited model carries a smaller price increase of $1,095 over last year's equivalent Prius, for a total ask of $35,560. Imo money, Imo power. Those relatively mild price bumps are more than worth it for the 2023 Prius's upgraded hybrid system that offers up to 60% more power, 196 combined HP versus 121 horsepower last year, thanks to a switch from a 1.8-liter gas engine to a larger 2.0-liter unit. Engine torque is also up nearly 16%, according to Toyota, to up to 139 lb-ft of torque, contributing to a total of up to 152 lb-ft when the electric motor is engaged. With the addition of the rear axle motor on AWD Priuses, you get an additional 62 lb-ft and 40 horsepower, though neither makes an appreciable impact on the car's total power, given how those rear motors only kick on at low speeds and slippery conditions. On top of all this, Toyota tosses in a new lithium-ion battery pack with 14% greater capacity than the old nickel-metal hydride pack, for 13.6 kilowatt-hours. This newfound power slashes the Prius's 0 to 60 mph times from close to 10 seconds to only 7.2 seconds on front-drive models and 7.0 seconds flat for the AWD variants. New colors and wheels. Outside, all models offer cutting-edge Guardian Gray, Midnight Black Metallic, and Reservoir Blue colors as standard color choices. Extra cost hues include the $459 Wind Chill Pearl or Supersonic Red. The LE, being an entry-level trim, makes do with a set of 17-inch aluminum wheels with wheel covers in dark gray. XLE and Limited trims upgrade to 19-inch wheels, and the former unlocks the option of a glass roof for $1,000. The fancy roof is standard on the Limited. All Priuses get Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 as standard equipment, bundling a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, full-speed dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, automatic high beams, and proactive driving assist. As handsome inside as it is on the outside. You also get new standard features on the 2023 Prius, as the interior was redesigned to fit the looks of its exterior, as well as standard over-the-air OTA updates, dual Bluetooth phone connectivity with standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and a 1-month trial of Wi-Fi Connect with 4G connectivity and hotspot capability for up to 5 devices. You'll also get a 3-month trial subscription to SiriusXM Platinum. Standard on the LE is an 8.0-inch infotainment screen for the occupants to use while enjoying their drive in a set of 6-way front seats. All seating is wrapped in a black or gray fabric while the steering wheel gets covered in soft-tax, faux leather, material. You'll also get 6 USB-C ports, 2 for the front, 2 in the center console, and 2 for the rear passengers, and blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert. The XLE adds an 8-way heated driver's seat, soft-tax in black or gray, seat covers, rain-sensing wipers, smart key, wireless charging for mobile devices, and front and rear parking assist with automatic braking. Finally, the Limited adds in a standard 12.3-inch infotainment screen, optional on XLE, with JBL premium audio, heated front seats with soft-text material, heated steering wheel, power liftback, and a digital key, another option for XLE buyers. The Limited can be optioned with a digital rearview mirror, $200, and heated rear seats, $350. There is also the Limited Premium package that adds Advanced Park, a hands-free parallel and reverse parking feature, and Toyota's Panoramic View Monitor, Toyota's 360-degree camera view system for an additional $1,085. It's coming in the first half of 2023. Toyota says to expect the new hybrid at your local Toyota dealership by early 2023. You'll want to start looking for it sometime within the first quarter of the upcoming year. We also fully expect this to be a hot vehicle that dealerships will have trouble keeping in stock. The Prius is already a darling for owners who are concerned about the environment but still need it in gas-fed vehicle for long hauls or just wanted to save fuel as often as possible. Now, with this new design that's a bit less polarizing and more sporty looking than the outgoing Prius, the Toyota hybrid likely won't languish on dealer lots for long.